Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Java Lab. So in this video I am going to demonstrate the input and output to a file. Okay, so like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel for latest notifications. So let's proceed to the demo. So I am going to demonstrate the program in my own system. I am not going to use JDoodle for this. So I am going to create a class. So before going to create the class, let's import the Java package java.io. Okay, and let's import all the classes from io. Okay, now let's create the class. So I am naming the class as driver. Okay, now let's create the main method, public static void main string array. Okay, so before proceeding further, let me save the file save. So I am saving this file in D drive. Okay, so let me save this as IO demo and choose Java source file. Okay, save. Okay, so the file is saved, iodemo.java. Now let's continue the program. So first we need to create an object of the class file. Okay, so you will write new file. Inside this, the file you want to open. So the file I want to open is sample.txt. It's a text file. Okay, so since we are giving sample.txt, you should take care that this file is already there. So in D drive, you should create a text file. So right click, new text document, and name it as sample. Okay, so you created a text document called sample. Now open this file and write something in this. So I am writing this is a sample file. Okay, and save the file. Save. Okay, and close it. Okay, so coming back to the program, now I am creating BufferedReader class object equal to new BufferedReader. Now inside the constructor, I have to write new another class called FileReader. Okay, now in the FileReader constructor, you have to write the file object f, this one. Okay, so this f is this, the object of file class. Okay, so in the BufferedReader constructor, you are creating another object which belongs to FileReader class, and to the FileReader constructor, you are passing the file object f. Okay, now you can create a string variable. Let's say the variable name is line, and to this we will assign or use this reference br dot. So one of the methods available in BufferedReader is readLine. Okay, so what is the use of this method readLine is it reads a line of text from the file. So the file we have given is f. Okay, so it is going to read a line from sample.txt file. Okay, and that line is stored in this variable. So now you need to print out that. Okay, system.out.println line, and after reading the text you can close the connection by writing br.close. Okay, that's all. So this is reading text or input from a file. Now let's go to command prompt and execute this. So I saved the file in D drive, so I am going to D drive. Okay, java c io demo.java. Okay, we are getting errors. So it is saying unreported exception, file not found exception. So it is coming in this line. And also it is saying unreported exception, IO exception, and it is coming from read line. Okay, and we are getting again an IO exception from this line. Okay, so to remove these errors, you can use try and catch blocks, or here at the end of main method, you can write throws exception. Okay, so exception is a predefined class. This is the super class for all exceptions. Okay, so if you are throwing this exception means you are indirectly handling file not found exception and also IO exception. Okay, you can write try and catch if you want, but this is a simple hack. Okay, throws exception, that's all. Now let's go back to command prompt and again compile the program. Okay, I think I didn't save the file. Okay, I didn't save. Okay, now it is saved. Compile. Okay, now executing java space class name is driver. Okay, so we got the text from the file, which is this is a sample file. So reading data from a file is over. Okay, now let's write some text into the file sample.txt. So to do that, we have another class BufferedWriter. BW equal to new BufferedWriter. So here you will create an object for the class file writer. Okay. So for writing also we are using F. F means this one sample.txt. Okay. Now, so here let's use this reference BW and write BW dot, the predefined method is write. So using this you can write text into the file. So let's write this line is inserted from Java program. So when I execute this program, this text is going to be saved in sample.txt file. Okay, so after writing, you can close the connection by writing bw.close. So to tell the user, let's write some message system.out.println data is stored in the file. Okay, or let's add data is successfully stored in the file. Okay, so that's all. This is the program, right? So this code is to read the data from the file, and this code is to write data into the file. Now let's execute and see what happens. So clear, compilation. Okay, it compiled. Now execution. Right. So this is reading data. So this line is coming from the file. Now we have written some data. Okay, so it is saying data is successfully stored in the file. So open the file and see whether the data is stored or not. Sample. Okay, so here it is. This line is inserted from Java program. So this is the thing that is exactly written by me. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is a simple program which demonstrates both reading and writing to and from a file. I hope it is clear. Okay, thank you.